Share my sweat-proof skincare prep. This prep helps to minimize the effect of sweat during hot and humid conditions. It's my go-to prep for summer weddings. So when it comes to hot summer days, less is more when it comes to skincare. I like to do a quick cleanse using Bioderma Sebum micellar wipes as well as a few drops of the H2O micellar water. Now let's remove the remaining excess oils after cleansing. I'm using mattifying blotting papers. These are from SheGlam. Be sure to dab all the areas you may accumulate oils. For me, it's mainly my T-zone and eyelids. It's time to add back some hydration. You never want to skip this step even when you're trying to control sweat. You want to apply a lightweight or a gel-based moisturizer that is oil-free and non-comedogenic. This will help you to hydrate your skin without clogging pores. I am using Verse Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream and focusing on my cheek area. I then go in with a second moisturizer. This is La Roche-Posay Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. You only need a pea-sized amount with this one. I like to use this only in my T-zone area. This is great for oily and combination skin. Quick note, this moisturizer does tighten as it dries. Primer time! If you're not a fan of primers, I would recommend using a illuminating serum. I'm using Rose Gold from Cosmetica Skincare. If you know me, I love a glow when it comes to my skincare and makeup application. I also work in layers. I want to make sure my skincare has an opportunity to sink in before I go on to the next product. For my primer, I'm using Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer. I only add it to my T-zone as well as my cheeks and smile lines. Now this is a very important step, setting spray. I always use a setting spray at the beginning of an application and at the end. I'm using my all-time favorite setting spray. It's the Blue Marble Sealer. This is a water-based setting spray, so it's gentle for an everyday use, but strong enough to hold sweat and oils at bay. And lastly, setting powder. I'm using Laura Mercier translucent powder with a large brush. I really work the powder in the bristles and tap away any extra powder. And with a light hand, I focus on my T-zone. So that was my sweat-proof skincare prep. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow makeup artist lovers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next.